With the shift in seasons, we know people are thinking about cleaning out the old and preparing for something new. This season is about decluttering, reorganizing, and refreshing our energy.
It's about bringing nature inside. Spring is a feeling, not a checklist, and we've updated the store to reflect that. The look of this launch is about contrasting materials and colors and a sense of authenticity. You'll see the store is full of fresh, natural colors and patterns. Accents like burgundy and mustard yellow make a strong impact and add an unexpected contrast to the earthy color palette.
Winter is still upon us, but we're already looking forward to those lighter, warmer days. While you're still indoors, the bedroom is an excellent place to make this seasonal change.
Natural materials such as cotton, linen, and rattan can be used to make your room feel like a brand new space. A bit of spring cleaning and fresh textiles will help you transition into the upcoming season.
It's time to air out the closets, dust off those shelves, and kickstart spring.